What's up, you guys? It's Brandi. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Today I'm coming on to bring you guys this really quick intro before we get into the face beat that you guys requested. If you don't know already, I've uploaded recently a video on the Fenty Hydrating Foundation, and within that video I had this same makeup look at the end of it, and you guys wanted to see a tutorial on the eyes, but I'm gonna do you one better. Some of you guys have been asking or requesting to see the full process of me doing my complete face. So I'm gonna try to include all of that in this and not make this video super long. Hopefully, cross our fingers. I haven't edited it yet, so I don't know how long this is gonna be. So I think that is it, but of course, before jumping into the video, I want to welcome all of you guys who might be new here to my channel. Thanks for stopping by and checking out my content. Hopefully you'll stick around, peruse my channel a little bit, and then become a member of this family by clicking that red subscribe button down below. For all my other OGs, welcome back. Let's go ahead and jump into this face beat. Okay.